Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on this Apple iPhone 12 mini. So let's see exactly what comes in the box. This is Amazon's Renewed. It's okay, looks pretty good. What do we get in the box? A charger, a cable, some instructions. Okay, this is part of Amazon's Renewed. The condition of it was good. So let's take this off. It's the blue color, yeah. The screen looks in really good shape. Down here looks good. The side, we have an SD card slot, volume, 2 cameras, and a power button. Yeah, and this takes lightning. So it does come with a charger and a lightning cable. So that's very nice. So you're gonna plug the lightning cable in here, and that's where you're going to get it charging. Let's take a look at the directions. Oh, it does come with a SIM removal tool. So let's take a look at the SIM card slot. It's on the left. So there's the charging spot on the left-hand side. Towards the bottom, there's going to be a little hole. And you're going to poke this in, and that little tray is going to pop out. Then you can just kind of grab it. There's where the nano SD card is going to go, or nano SIM card. Looks like you put it in from the bottom. So you're going to put it in like that. So here's the charger it comes with. It's got USB-A output. You're going to plug this in. It'll only go one way, so find the way it'll go. Plug it into a wall outlet. Then you're going to plug it into your iPhone. And that should turn it on. If it doesn't, you can press and hold the power button over here until you get the little Apple logo. All right, so let's go. 2.5 inches wide, 5 1/8 inches that way. It's not very thick. Maybe 1/4 inch thick. Again, 2 cameras on the back. Looks very nice, but it is really small. All right, so I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.